In today's sneaker news, Jordan Brand is gearing up for a blockbuster slate of releases, and we begin with the Air Jordan 4. Leading off the preview is the Air Jordan 4 London. Early reports reveal a special twist to its classic branding, a reworked Nike LDN heel logo, scuffed detailing for a lived-in aesthetic, and no excuses text on the interior. Built on a moody palette of black, red bark, dark smoke gray, and hemp, this pair sets the tone for Jordan Brand's global storytelling in the coming year. Following that is a women's exclusive rendition, the Air Jordan 4 Birds of Paradise. Dressed in coconut milk, metallic gold, muslin, bright mango, sundial, and black, this vibrant model draws inspiration from its tropical namesake. Aside from its striking color mix, details remain tightly under wraps for now. Moving on, the Air Jordan 8 Bin 23 continues the revival of the elevated bin series. Wrapped in fur, university red, and muslin, this premium release joins upcoming luxury-themed Air Jordan 6 and Air Jordan 3 offerings, and commands an equally premium $350 retail price. Meanwhile, Jordan Brand will reportedly pay homage to history with a public release inspired by the Air Jordan 3 laser sample from 2003, a one-of-one pair crafted for Michael Jordan's 40th birthday. And the laser theme won't stop there. The Air Jordan 1 Low OG laser is also on the way, incorporating engraved detailing that echoes the Air Jordan 3's iconic treatment. Shifting to more traditional territory, the Air Jordan 3 Sports Renaissance makes its debut. While specifics surrounding its narrative theme remain scarce, early hints point toward a tribute to MJ's competitive nature and Jordan Brand's multisport heritage. Staying in that vein, the Air Jordan 1 High OG Love the Game joins the lineup. Despite sharing a similar title with the 2010's For the Love of the Game series, insiders suggest this iteration celebrates Jordan's overall mindset rather than referencing his contract clause from the past. And finally, rounding out the preview is a surprising celebration of the Air Jordan 6's 35th anniversary, the Air Jordan 6 Low Metamorphosis. After laying low since its lifestyle and golf variants in 2023, the silhouette returns as a women's exclusive dressed in black, desert berry, and metallic silver.